Good morning, traders. Welcome to the stock market strategy video for Tuesday, December the 1st. We did have our first day of the month. We have mutual fund inflows trying to come in and push this market higher, but we didn't really get too far. Yesterday was, again, a quiet day, and I was really hoping for a little bit of a push higher and maybe get some of these mutual funds to really start buying some equity since they're kind of behind the curve here for 2015. That has not happened. Very quiet. So we are still anticipating some good volatility to come, and we're just going to sit back and wait, guys. Let's just sit back, wait, and see where this market wants to go. We still have really big market divergence. What I mean really big, meaning the transport's our leader, starting to break down. Still within that triangle. I'm going to show that to you. And, of course, the IWM's not going anywhere. Breadth of the market stinks. I mean, I really mean that. It's not going anywhere. We are looking for a big move, and I got to tell you, I think it's going to happen. I think we're going to try to get a push. I do think that the bulls are going to try to keep this market elevated, at least where it is now, if not higher. And then I think you got to watch out for 2016, guys, because market divergence does not have to happen right away. It does not kick in, and you have this seasonal strength time of the year coming into play. That could just skew the markets right now and just kind of push that divergence into 2016. All right, now, remember I said yesterday we also have tax selling coming into play too. And with the markets being kind of flat, maybe up almost 2% for the year, not really doing much, we could get the tax selling and really push this market lower and so they can take advantage of that loss that they're incurred for 2015. So keep in mind, we've got a lot of things to juggle between now and the next 3 weeks. So be on your toes here. Take a look at this dollar. This dollar loves to stay up here. Now, does it mean that it's tired? We get a doji here on a UUP. Sure. I mean, look, it did have an explosive move here. And it is a weekly chart, guys. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks in a row straight up. It does seem a little bit tired. Let's look at the daily chart here, just to see, and you can see that we've had some big gaps here, some dojis. So it is a little bit tired, but that does not mean that it's due for a big pullback. You might get a pause, sideways consolidation, and/or a little bit of a pullback, but that's just going to fuel more upside. And if that happens, we got to watch out for the GLD, as you know, the gold ETF. Gold did have a nice little pop yesterday. Gold is up again about $3 today. No big deal. Does this mean this is the bottom? Absolutely not. I do like the fact that we have some positive divergence in our momentum indicators, but look what's happening. We're starting to roll over again. Okay, I do think we could pick this up cheap if we're patient. I'd like to see the GLD break 100 and the GC, which is the futures contract, break 1,000, and then you start nibbling into this gold trade. Okay, this gold trade is going to be a really nice trade going into 2016. Remember, oil is under pressure as well. A lot of the commodities are still under pressure. We also have the dollar trading above par here. So that's going to take a big bite out of any movement to the upside, okay? So that really don't play the fact that, oh, we're at the bottom here, we're moving higher. It still needs a lot of backing and filling in the gold, okay? Now, I wanted to show you the XRT ETF, which is the retail. This is really poor. That retail coming into seasonal strength right now is not doing well at all. And this is another warning sign, okay? Just got to be cautious here, guys. There's something, I just feel like there's something brewing underneath the hood, if you will, on this markets, because it's just kind of weird. It just did not move anywhere. All right, if you take a look at the spiders now going into the indexes, we haven't gone anywhere here. You can see we're flatline here. Not a bad thing, though. I'm not saying that it is a bad thing, but it's not a great thing either that if we have momentum to the upside, why aren't we moving? And we're not, okay? You could even say this is a small ascending triangle here. I wouldn't put that past anybody. Nice little bullish ascending triangle. I wouldn't doubt it either if we challenge the highs or try to make new highs here, because it is that time of the year. And we did kind of gone sideways for 7 trading days now after this kind of 2-day move up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trading days, we've gone nowhere. We're actually inside a horizontal channel or that ascending triangle, if you will. Okay, so not much trading happening. So that means what? Lack of trading. Don't trade. If not, take a step back, trade a couple of times. If you see something you like, absolutely, but no reason to be really active until we either break out or break down from this little symmetrical triangle or ascending triangle, if you call it. Diamond, same thing. You can see here we just kind of Kind of stuck here in this pattern. Not really doing too much. We just kind of look this M formation here. Looks like it's trying to make that right shoulder. IWMs. Here's the other canary in the coal mine. Is this IWMs here not doing well at all? Yeah, we did break up above the 200, but now it needs to back test. If it could back test and hold, I wouldn't mind look to buy the Russell here, but as of right now, this does not look good at all. Okay, this is the secondary leader, which is not leading. That's another market divergence. And take a look at the transports, which, again, this is their time of year, and they're not going anywhere. I think partly due to we got problems with the airlines, terrorists, and I get it. But you know what? It's not happened all year. I mean, this is just terrible looking chart. Big symmetrical triangle. Weeklies, you have the head and shoulders pattern. I don't know, guys. I think this thing starts to break lower, and if it does break lower, I do believe that the fund managers, portfolio managers will take note of this breakdown, okay, if it does break down. This is what I'm looking for. I want to see it break up or break down, then I'll follow that trend, okay? And lastly is the Qs. You can see here, the Qs really hasn't done much of anything. Let me just bring that up to date. And you can see here, we're looking for that M formation again. But a lot of dojis, a lot of indecision. So we need to see the market either starting to break higher or start to break lower. That's when I'm really going to get active. Keeping the pallets dry here, guys. We've got 3 good weeks of trading. No need to start breaking your own rules, and now you're down money to have to make that money back going into the end of the month, which should be some nice, easy trading, okay? Hope it helps. See you tomorrow. Take care.